The day the fruit superheroes came to town. One sunny morning, 3 amazing fruit superheroes appeared, ready to help kids everywhere become stronger, smarter, and full of energy. There was Captain Apple, who made kids strong. Dr. Orange, who kept colds away. And Mighty Banana, who gave super energy for running and playing. The fruit superheroes knocked on every door and said, "Kids, don't you know? We carry secret powers inside us. One bite of us, and you'll feel bright, happy, and full of energy." But some kids said, "We don't like fruits, candy is more fun." So Captain Apple challenged them. "Let's have a race. You eat candy, and our friends eat fruits. Let's see who runs faster and longer." The race began. The candy kids zoomed off quickly, but soon slowed down, clutching their tummies. Meanwhile, the fruit-powered kids ran, jumped, and laughed, full of energy till the very end. Everyone cheered. Fruits really are superheroes. From that day on, kids in town ate fruits every day. Apples, oranges, bananas, berries, and more. And so, the fruit superheroes saved the day. Little heroes, do you know? Every fruit has a secret power just for you. Which fruit will you choose today to make you strong and happy?